don't think how fast they are. It's just walking slowly. There's other ones there.
It can change.
Oh yes, now the car from the other side.
Turn around.
Man, how do you feel?
I feel safe.
You'll go off the road just now. Maybe he likes our smell.
Let's sacrifice someone.
He's very persistent.
Maybe he'll get hungry just now. Come on, here's no car. You don't use the street. The road. Maybe he smells the other rhino, because earlier we drove over the dung in the urine, so they can
Great.
So he wants to mate with us.
Makes it not better.
The car will probably not survive that.
He's still coming.
Yeah.
I like it when he exhales all the dust. Like this. Now, finally.
Don't be so happy. Maybe he just moved a little bit right and then again left.